In this video, I'm about to show you how to live stream on LinkedIn. First, open Google Chrome and search for StreamYard. Then, click on the first link in the search result to go to the StreamYard website. Now, click on Get Started in the top right corner and select Sign up with Google to create your account using your Google credential. After that, choose the Google account you want to use and click Continue. Next, you'll see a few questions to answer, like how you discovered StreamYard, your streaming experience, the size of your current audience, and you mainly plan to use StreamYard for. Go through each question, selecting your answer based on your preferences. Then click Continue. After setting up your StreamYard account, go to Destinations from the menu on the left side. Then click on LinkedIn profile as your destination. Now open a new tab and go to LinkedIn. Here, click on Me in the top menu, then select Setting and Privacy. Under Sign and Security, go back to StreamYard and enter your LinkedIn email and password. If you can't remember your password, click on Forget Password and then Next. Here, you'll need to enter a code. Now open your Gmail to find the email with the code. Copy it and paste it back into LinkedIn. Then click Submit, enter your new password twice, and submit again. After that, click on Go to LinkedIn, then Allow to give StreamYard access. Back in StreamYard, click on your profile name, then return to Dashboard. Now select Livestream to set up your live stream. Next, click on Add Destination and choose LinkedIn profile. Finally, accept all cookies and you're ready to start your LinkedIn live streaming. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.